Welcome back to the shop, rascals. Today is hammer time. Right, this is all the head all glued up. Really chuffed with this, it's coming out alright. I just want to strengthen up these glue joints up through here. I'm worried that I'll put the shaft in here, these might pop off, but that's the the issues with the design that I went for. So I'm going to drill a couple of holes down through here on either side and put some dowels through. Fail for you, I'm afraid. I was just neatening up all the edges on the disc sander and the table saw and that, and I seem to have gone through on the holes. This is a bit of a shame, but I'll just have to make a slightly smaller mallet than what I was hoping for in the first place. I'm drawing a little line there and get that cut, remark the holes, re-drill them, and we'll just have to go from there. Despite having to make the head smaller, I was really chuffed with the way this actually turned out. I think it's really nice. Remember to like, subscribe, stay awesome, and I'll see you on the next one.